Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to install a free plugin which will help you create email marketing automation in a WordPress website. The name of the plugin is Send Email Marketing and Newsletter for WordPress by Elementor. This plugin is created by Elementor. That does not mean you can use it only on Elementor website. You can install this plugin on any website and create email marketing automation for your WordPress website. You can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 20,000 WordPress websites. Let me show you some workflows. If you're using a WooCommerce website, you can create workflows for abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-up. After completing order, you can send thank you emails, high order value and item counts. So there are some pre-designed workflows that you can use to create email marketing automation. You can install this plugin for free and you can create unlimited workflows in a WordPress website. There is a free plan as well as a paid plan. In the free plan, you will get 500 credits per month to send email and SMS, and the paid plan will start from $8.49 per month, in which you will get 5,000 credits to send email and SMS per month. And one email will be 1 credit and one SMS will be 10 credits. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this plugin and how you can create email marketing automation using the free Send plugin. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo of WooCommerce website and we are going to start with the installation of the free plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. We are going to install this plugin, Send Email Marketing and Newsletter. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can also download the plugin directly from this link and then upload the plugin to your website. Or you can go to your website and search for the new plugin. So here I'm going to search for this plugin. This is the plugin, Send Email Marketing and Newsletters for WordPress by Elementor. Click on Install Now and click on Activate. Now it will ask you to create an account on Elementor website. If you do not have any account on the Elementor website, you can create a free account. If you already have an account, then you can connect your account with your website. Here I have already logged into the Elementor account and I'm going to link my Elementor account. So it is free, you can create a new account or you can connect your existing account. So I'm going to connect my existing account. Alright, so it is connected and it is asking you to select a workflow. You can simply close this window. So we're on the Get Started window. It is asking you sync your store. If you're using a WooCommerce website, then you can sync your WooCommerce store. So this is a WooCommerce website, so I'm going to sync my store. It shows what is going to be imported, product catalog, orders and revenue summary, customer details and payment information. Click on sync my store. Now it's going to take some time, so I'm going to close this window. Now the next option is grow your audience. You can add contact manually. If you have the contact file, then you can import the CSV contact file. And the third option is to connect your contact form from the website. So if you already have some contact form running on your website, you can connect the contact form and that contact form is going to create a contact list. If I go to add a contact manually, I can click on add contact and I can create contact manually. So I'm going to add one contact. Let's add some dummy information here and we are going to create one contact here. You can add phone number, address, birthday, company name, number of employees. Here you can create a new list or you can also add this contact to the existing list. We have not created any list yet. They have agreed to accept marketing materials like email and SMS. Click on add contact. So here you will see the contact is added to the contact list. Right now, let's go back to get started. We have done this option and this is the option connect your first form. Click on connect a form. Now here you will see different contact form plugins which you can connect with this platform. Contact Form 7, WP Forms, Elementor Pro Contact Form, Ninja Forms and Gravity Forms. On this website, I'm using Elementor Pro plugin and I have one contact form created using this plugin. If you're using any one of these plugins, you can connect the contact form created using these plugins. So let's click on connect. It is connected. If I go to forms, it is showing that we have one contact form here which is connected. If I go to contact page here, this is the contact form that I have created using Elementor Pro plugin and now it is connected. In future, if you do not want to connect it, you can simply deactivate it from here. All right, let's go back to get started. Next option is send a campaign, create a list and send it an email. So I'm going to create one list. Let's name it as customers. So we are going to add all the contacts in this particular list. Click on create and you will see the list is created. This is the list. Now I want to add existing contact to this list. So I'm going to click on search. I'm going to add this contact in the list. Select it and click on add to list. So now this contact is added to this new list. All right, let's go back to get started. The next option is build your first workflow. So we are going to create a workflow. Let's click on build a workflow. And you can use a template or you can create the workflow from the scratch. Let's click on start with the template and you will see different types of templates are available. So you can use the workflow template to run a campaign. The first template here you will see abandoned cart recovery, high cart value reminder, high cart value and item count reminder. Here you will see different categories. If I go to cart related, these are all workflows related to cart. Then we have engagement related, welcome series, simple flow, win back. Then we have order related, post purchase workflow, order completed, thank you. So whenever the order is completed, you can send a thank you email to the customer. Order completed with high item count follow-up, high order value and item count incentive. If I go to special events, you will see Black Friday seasonal promotion, Christmas seasonal promotion. So you can also create workflows based on special events. So I'm going to use one of the cart related. Let's say I want to use abandoned cart recovery. Here you will see how many emails will be sent in this workflow. This one is using 5 emails. This one is using only 1 email. This one has 2 emails. So let's try this one. Click on edit this workflow. Here you can add name for the workflow. So this is going to be the name. Click on use workflow. Now we are going to customize this workflow. At the top you will see the trigger point. Click on edit and the trigger is when the cart is abandoned. So this workflow will be triggered whenever the cart is abandoned by the user. If I click on it, you will see different conditions are there. We are using this condition, cart is abandoned, save the trigger. Let's go to the next step, that is email. So what is going to happen? It is going to send email when the cart is abandoned. This is the subject line for that email. Don't miss out, your cart is waiting for you. This is the preview text. You are just one step away from owning your bricks, complete your order. This is going to be the sender name. Let's change it with your website name. This is going to the name of the sender and this is the sender's email address. All right, you can customize this email domain. Then below that you will see content, and we do not have any content yet, so we are going to select one of the pre-designed templates as the email content. So let's click on choose template. Now here you see many different templates are available to send an email, and if you do not like template, you can also create an email content from the scratch. Let's search for abandoned cart template. All right, here you will see abandoned cart dynamic cart. This is the name of the template. So I'm going to use this one. Click on edit template. So at the top you will see your logo. I'm going to change it with my logo. So if I click on it, you will see upload an image, browse media library. I'm going to upload the image. So this is going to be the image of your store. Then we have the headline here, forgot something. This is the content. Your cart is like a carefully chosen outfit. It deserves to be seen. So if you want to change this content, you can simply change it. You can add your own content. Then we have the summary of the cart, which is abandoned. It will show the products which were in the cart. And here you have a button, continue shopping. If I scroll down in the right hand side, you will see the settings for this item. You will see the button, continue shopping. You will also see the size of the button. You can change the color. This is how it will look on the mobile device. Below that we have the categories. This is the women category. Here you will see the dummy URL. You can change it based on your website. I'm going to copy the category URL here and put it here. All right, then we have men. Just copy it and put it here. All right, so whenever someone clicks on it, it is going to open this page. If you do not want that, you can simply delete that option and that will be removed. Here you will see social media icons. You can add your own social media icons, and below that you have the address. You can change the content. It is very easy. You simply select the content and replace it with your own content. If you do not want any section, you can simply delete that section. If you want to add more elements, you will see list of elements in the right hand column. You can simply drag and drop the element inside the email. So this is the button. You can change the text on the button and URL on that button. Right, once done, click on save, and this template will be used to send an email whenever there is a cart abandoned. All right, so you will see the email template is added into the workflow. Click on save email. Here we have next step, which is a waiting time for 1 day. You can change the waiting time to 1 day, 1 week, 1 month or 1 year. And next to that we have condition split. Now it is going to check whether the order is completed or not. Here you will see the condition, order is completed. All right, so if the order is completed, it is going to send one email. If the order is not completed, it is going to send another email. Now let's see what is here in this email. All right, so after the order is completed, it is going to send another email. Thanks for your order. Enjoy 10% off on your next order. So we are going to send one email to the customer when the order is completed, and that email will contain 10% off coupon code. Again, you can change the sender name, sender email, and here you can create an email template. So this is one email, and if the order is not completed, it is going to send another email. Your cart plus 15% off, perfect match. You can change the number. Let's say I want to offer 10% off to complete this abandoned cart order. So the customer will get 10% off if they complete their order. Again, you can change the sender name and sender email and create an email template for this step. And in that email, you can add 10% discount coupon code. Again, there is a waiting time of 1 day and conditional split. The same condition, whether the order is completed or not. If the order is completed, we are going to send another coupon code, 20% discount for your next order. You can change the number and you can change the discount. If the order is not completed, you are going to send one more discount coupon code that will be 15% off. You can change the sender name, email and create a new email template, or you can use the same email template. Just add 15% discount coupon code in the email template. And after that, it is going to end this campaign. So in this campaign, we have 5 different emails. Once you are done with the changes, you can launch the workflow. Click on publish and this workflow will be activated. So you will see that we have one workflow here. Similarly, you can create multiple workflows. You can create the workflow from the scratch, or you can use pre-designed templates for the workflow. If I go to order related, you will see template for post purchase follow. Here you will send 3 different emails. Let's try this one. Let's add a name, click on use workflow. If I go to trigger point, the trigger point is when the order is completed. So this is going to be the trigger point. When the order is completed, it is going to trigger this workflow. And it is going to send one email. Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your business and hope you enjoy your new products. Here you can add email template. Then we have waiting time for 3 days. And After 3 days, it is going to send one more email. In this email, we are going to ask for the feedback. Please take a moment to leave a review or provide feedback. Again, you can create email template. Next, we have waiting time of 5 days. And after 5 days, we are going to send one more email. You may also like these products. Check out these complimentary products based on your recent purchase. All right. You can customize the workflow. You can add your own content in the email. And once you are done, click on Launch Workflow and click on Publish. And this workflow will be activated. Just above the workflows, you will see Broadcast. Let's click on Create a Broadcast. For that, you need to select List. We have one list here. Click on Continue. And let's name it as Test. Continue. Again, here you can create a content. So in this case, you are going to send email to all the contacts in that list. So this is nothing but a broadcast. If I go to email templates, let's leave this without saving and go to email templates. You will see all the email templates here. You can also create email template from the scratch and you can save it under My Design. So we have one email template under My Design. Let's go to Overview and this will show the statistics of your website. If I go to My Account, Integrations, you will see integration options here, Contact Form 7, all these contact forms and email setup. As I said earlier, you can customize your communication email. You can create a branded email. For that, you will need to connect your domain with the website. If I click on Setup Email, you will see the settings. At the top, we have domain name, sender name and sender email. Let's try this one. Click on Next. And here you will see select your DNS provider and you will see the list of hosting service provider. Let's say I'm using Hostinger. Here you will see the instructions. Go to your DNS provider's website, sign into your account, choose which domain you would like to edit and edit the DNS records. If I go to Next, it will give you the list of DNS records that you need to add to your hosting server. All right, let's cancel it. If I go to Quick Actions, you will see different workflows that you can create. So it is very easy to create an automated email marketing workflows using the Send plugin. You can start with the free plan or you can go with the paid plan. In the free plan, you will get 500 credits to send email and SMS per month. And the paid plan will start from $8.49 per month. It will be billed annually and you will get 5,000 credits per month to send email and SMS. Again, one email will be 1 credit and one SMS will be 10 credits. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.